I'll keep loving you more and more. Every day a little more than the day before. I'll keep loving you more and more. Every day a little more than the day before. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This song was requested, so if you have other requests, please let me know, and I'll get to it as soon as I can. This is a great song. I love New Found Glory. I've seen them a few times in concert. In fact, one of my best friends and I, we go see them almost every time they come to town. So it's pretty cool. But yeah, they're great, and I love them. This is one of my favorite kinds of music. So this song is pretty dang easy to play. It's in standard tuning. There's no capo. The strumming is the same the whole time. I'm going to show you a way where you can also, there's times where you can just do single strums, and that'll make it a little easier. But you don't have to, or you could even palm mute it. Okay, but I'll show you how to do all that stuff. The strumming is super easy for this song. There is a handful of different chords to go through. You're only going to use like 3 or 4 chords for most of the song, but I'm going to show you where all the different chords are. So stick with me to the end, okay? So the intro for this song, I'm not going to show you how to do the picking for it, I'm just going to show you the chords. So you're going to start with E, all right? And then you're going to do C sharp minor. So C sharp minor is a power chord starting on, you're going to put your pointer finger, it goes on the 4th fret on the A string. And then the way that I play it is I put my ring finger, as you can see here, okay, it goes on the 6th fret on the D string, pinky goes on the 6th fret on the G string. And you don't have to do this part. It sounds better if you do, but you don't have to. You're going to put your middle finger, okay, it's going to go on the 5th fret. So it's going to go on the 5th fret down here on the B string, okay? And you don't have to. That's what it sounds like with it. You're supposed to be barring this if you can, but I don't know if it matters that much. So you're going to be, that's what it sounds like with it, with the middle finger. And that's what it sounds like without it. See? Okay, so then you're going to play B. Now I'm just showing you a rip-off, easy way to play B. You can play the B like this if you want to, okay? But you don't have to. The way that I'm doing it, to make it super easy for you guys, is when you're playing up here, all right, and this is where, if you're newer at the guitar, the easy way to play it is don't use your middle finger, just play that, and then slide down 2 frets, okay? So like you would be doing B minor, but don't actually play B minor, don't actually use this middle finger. Okay, so you're just going to slide down from that C sharp minor on the 4th and 6th frets, you're going to slide down 2 frets, all right, to the 2nd and 4th frets. Okay, so the intro for the song starts out E, C sharp minor, B, and then E. C sharp minor, B. Okay, and you're just going to start, you're going to do that 4 times, okay? E, C sharp minor, B, 4 times, no lyrics, single strums, okay? So it'll just be like this. Okay, you're going to do it 2 more times, and then after you get done the 2nd time, I would actually recommend not doing the single strums because it just doesn't build as much, but you can do that. So you're going to do I see, so C, when you say C, you're going to play the E chord. I see you, and then you're going to do C sharp minor, B, and then when you play B, you're going to say dozing off on FaceTime, and then so on FaceTime you do FaceTime, and FaceTime you play E. FaceTime, and then do C sharp minor, B. Now as you're switching from C sharp minor to B, you're gonna do so dozing off on FaceTime, so lucky. Okay, so as you are switching, you're gonna do so lucky you're mine. So lucky is where you're gonna play B. So lucky you're my Valentine, and so Valentine you play E. Valentine, C sharp minor, and then you're gonna say a dozen roses. Okay, so roses is where you play B. Roses, okay, aren't enough, but roses aren't enough. Enough is E. Enough, but I try. And then after try, C sharp minor, B. Okay, and you're just gonna keep doing this. I'll walk you through the rest of this first verse. It's long, but I'll do it just so you guys can have it. So you're gonna do, you swept, so swept in, swept is E. Swept in, okay, and then swept in, and then after in, you're gonna do C sharp minor, B. The way the 4 winds, and then winds is E. Winds blow, and then you're gonna do C sharp minor, I couldn't even, C sharp minor, B, B, I couldn't even. So as you're switching, you're gonna do I couldn't even, or just kind of play it on B. I couldn't even bear, bear is E, bear you go, and then after go, you're gonna do C sharp minor. Your guts, okay, so again, you notice you're gonna do a lot of that and singing right there. Your guts pushed me back in, okay, in is E, deeper than I've ever been. So been is C sharp minor, B. And then here's where you play it. So let me go back over that. The way you should strum that, instead of just doing the single strums, I was just showing you where the chords are. You're gonna be down, 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 down. Now play it softly. You could also palm mute it by putting this part of your hand as close as you can to that, like right in front of it, and just do. I see you. Okay, so you could do that. But either way, I wouldn't just do the single strums the whole time. It's not going to have enough to it, especially for that long of a verse. So then when you get to the refrain, is what we're calling it here, you're going to do A. So you'll play A, and a movie screen or a writer. Okay, so you do A before and a movie screen. And then you do C sharp minor. Okay. Or a writer of dreams. So after dreams, you're gonna play A. Dreams, couldn't think up such. Okay, up such is gonna be C sharp minor. Up such a beautiful. So you're gonna do, now you're gonna play B. Up such a beautiful scene. So beautiful is B and scene is A. Beautiful scene. Okay, scene is A. The way your eyes shine. And then after shine, you're gonna do C sharp minor. When looking in mine, and then after mine you do A, mine, I can't believe this is, so is a C sharp minor, is my life, and then life you play B. So there you do A, C sharp minor, B, life. And then you go into the chorus. The chorus is super easy. You're just gonna, now here you're gonna play it louder. You're gonna do, I'll keep loving you. All right, so you can't sing it super high like he does, or you can sing it lower like I am, right? So you're gonna do E on loving. I'll keep loving you. So loving is where you play E. Loving you more and more. And that second more is when you go into C sharp minor, B. More every day. So day is where you play E. Day a little more and more. Okay. Oh, let's see. I think I had. Yeah, that's right. Every day. So every day is E. Every day a little more than the day. So day is C sharp minor. Day before. 4 is where you do B. 4. I'll keep loving you more and more. So then you just repeat that, okay? Because it just repeats. After you play it through the second time, and I'll play it once for you so you can see it and hear it. But you're gonna, after you finish it, then you're gonna do a little more and more than the day before, and then you just play the intro. And you can either single strum it here, and I actually would single strum it here. And you're just gonna do it twice, and then you're gonna go into the next verse. So the way you play the chorus, and stick with me because we're gonna do the bridge in a sec, which is very different than the rest of the song. So you're gonna do, I'll keep loving you more and more. Every day a little more than the day before. I'll keep loving you more and more. Every day a little more than the day before. Okay, and then you go into the next verse. Now the bridge is much different. Okay, so after the second chorus, when you get to the bridge, you're just playing an instrumental first. You're just going to do C sharp minor, A, E, and then you're going to do F sharp minor. So F sharp minor is power chord, okay, second fret on the big E string, and then you're going to put your ring finger goes, this is how I play it, the ring finger goes on the 4th fret on the A string, pinky goes on the 4th fret on the D string, and you're supposed to bar it if you can. Okay, so you're going to do, the way that goes is C sharp minor, A, E, F sharp minor. Okay, stay on F sharp minor longer. Okay, then you're gonna do that twice, and then when you get into the verse, you're gonna do, into the actual lyrics of the bridge, and who's, so you're gonna do who's is C sharp minor, and who's to say, so to say you do A, to say that love, and love is E, and this part you'd want to play pretty loud in the song, that love can't be this easy, so easy is F sharp minor, easy, we don't need, and then need, you go back up to C sharp minor, need to bleed, and then to bleed is A, to bleed, just to prove is E, just to prove we're worthy. Okay, then we're worthy, worthy is F sharp minor, worthy, everything that I put, and then put is A, put my heart into, and then you're gonna do C on everything, so C, everything that needs, okay, everything that needs, all right, and then you're gonna do everything that needs my time, and then time is B, time it, at my time put it aside, nothing comes before you, and then you're gonna go into that intro part again. And you just do it twice before you go into the chorus. I'll keep loving you all. Let's see, how does the chorus go again? I'll keep loving you more and more, every day a little more than the day before. I'll keep loving you more and more, every day a little more than the day before. And then what they do in the song is they're kind of mixing the first verse with it. I would just play it like one more time and sing it. I see you dozing off on FaceTime, so lucky you're my Valentine. And then you could do a dozen, let's see, Valentine, and then do a dozen roses aren't enough, but I try. You could end it on A, I think you should just end it on E. So you could do it like that if you're really trying to end it like the song, or you could even just do, you could just end it with the chorus being a little more than the day before. That's what I would do. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.